Learn Estonian fast. Make equals.
tegema,
Welcome, Synapse Lingo. Hey you, great to have you here. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more tips and resources at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today we'll play with the English idea of make, do and the Estonian verb.
tegema,
With laughs, quick drills, and real lifelines you can use right away. Your goal today. In a few minutes, you'll speak key forms with confidence. Ready? Make, do.
tegema,
Infinitive. I do.
ma teen,
You do, singular.
sa teed,
She does.
ta teeb,
It makes.
see teeb,
We do.
me teeme,
They do.
nad teevad,
Quick forms. Say it with me. Echo me like a karaoke pro, nice and bold. To make, do.
tegema,
Again.
tegema,
I do.
ma teen,
You do.
sa teed,
She does.
ta teeb,
It makes.
see teeb,
We do.
me teeme,
They do.
nad teevad,
Mini dialogue, coffee and courage. Listen in, then repeat the juicy bits. A. Morning plan? I do coffee, you do the playlist. B. Deal? You do, in Estonian is.
sa teed,
A. And, I do coffee, is.
ma teen kohvi,
B. New mug? It makes me happy.
see teeb mind õnnelikuks,
A. She does the shopping later.
ta teeb,
O stud Hilgem. B. We do a plan now.
me teeme,
Plani nude. A. No worries, they do the dishes.
nad teevad,
Node era. Drills you can do. Your turn, say it out loud. I'll wait for you. Say, make, do, the base form. Answer.
tegema,
Say, I do my best every day. Answer.
ma teen iga päev oma parima,
Say, you do what you love. Answer.
sa teed seda, mida armastad,
Say, she does homework quickly. Answer.
ta teeb kodutööd kiiresti,
Say, it makes a big difference. Answer.
see teeb suurt vahet,
Say, we do the plan now. Answer.
me teeme plaani nüüd,
Say, they do the exercises together. Answer.
nad teevad harjutusi koos,
Culture tip, the spirit of.
teeme,
Estonian energy time. You'll hear a famous volunteer slogan.
teeme ära,
Meaning, let's do it. It's the same family as.
me teeme,
We do. Try a tiny morning ritual. Breathe in, say.
ma teen,
I do, and start one small task. Quick quiz. Answer fast, trust your ear. Which Estonian verb means make, do? Answer.
tegema,
How do you say, I do? Answer.
ma teen,
How do you say, you do, singular? Answer.
sa teed,
Translate, she does. Answer.
ta teeb,
Say, it makes, as in, it makes me happy. Answer.
see teeb,
How do you say, we do? Answer.
me teeme,
How do you say, they do? Answer.
nad teevad.
Challenge, micro mission. Ready for a quick laugh and learn push? Create 3 lines about your day using these.
ma teen, sa teed, me teeme,
Example starter. I do coffee, you do music, we do magic. Then swap coffee for push-ups if you dare. Bonus. Whisper a, make, wish and say the base verb out loud.
tegema,
Then actually do one tiny task in 60 seconds. Go. Wrap up, you did it. Nice work, high five from me to you. You just nailed make, do in Estonian.
tegema,
Plus.
ma teen, sa teed, ta teeb, see teeb, me teeme, nad teevad.
This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing, have fun with mini challenges, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more learning goodies. Until next time, you do the reps, the language rewards you.